Imagine a scenario where a woman gets to choose between three guys. The first guy is rich, influential, and powerful. The second guy is not as rich, but he is a handsome male model. And then there's this third guy who's not as rich or good looking, and yet he has something else going for him. There's something magnetic about him she can't explain. And so he fills up her thoughts, keeping her up at night. She likes all three, but who do you think she will ultimately choose? Pause for a moment and consider your response. What's your answer? The first guy, the second guy, or the third guy? Here's the intriguing revelation. She's likely to choose the third guy. But why? Well, the answer is simple. He managed to do something the other two couldn't. He filled her mental space. If you want a woman to fall head over heels for you, here's the magic formula. The key to winning a woman's heart is simple. Make her think about you more than other men in her life. But that's not all. You want her to think about you even more than her other stuff in life. Work, the gym, her beauty routine, her family and friends. If you could dominate her mental space above everything else, you'd have her in your grasp. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to occupy her mental space with a simple Shogun Method technique. It's super easy, and yet amazingly effective if done correctly. What's this Shogun Method technique? We Shoguns call it the Intrigue Ping. What's the Intrigue Ping? Well, it's a hypnotic statement that penetrates into a woman's psyche subconsciously. An intrigue ping excites her, fires her imagination, and captures her attention. So, here's the deal. To control a woman's mental space, you must first understand how she thinks. It's weird but true. A woman's attention span often resembles a little girl's. She's usually either terribly bored or uncontrollably excited. So, an intrigue ping switches her mood from bored to excited, linking the excitement to you. Next, let's dig into the inner workings of an intrigue ping. A good intrigue ping has three traits. 1. Fake blaming. It accuses her of something, whether true or not. 2. Neutral. It accuses her without attacking her or sounding confrontational. 3. Disqualifying. It eliminates the possibility of dating or intimacy with her. Here's an example. Let's say you're dating a girl who loves yoga. A good fake blaming statement that sounds neutral could be like this. What got you into yoga? Let me guess. You've got a thing for chicks in tights. It's a playful accusation that's neutral and totally unserious. And, to follow up, you can then disqualify her. I don't know. I've dated yoginis before. They're too limber for my rock-hard bones, so maybe we should stay as friends. There are a couple of things going on here. Apart from disqualifying her, you're also implying two things. 1. You know the term yogini, and so you show her you know more about her interest than other guys. And 2. You're hinting to her you slept with a few yoginis before. The line also has a mild sexual innuendo if you can spot it. So, in two simple lines, you've shown her you're fun, you're not needy, you're knowledgeable, and you get laid. Awesome, right? Remember, your goal with Intrigue Ping is to seize as much of the female mental space as possible. Keep piling them up, and she'll do nothing but think about you all day. Easy peasy. But here's the kicker though. Intrigue Pings won't seal the deal for you. It will interest her, but it's not enough. You must escalate it into genuine attraction. And, to do that, you need Shogun Method. Because remember, a girl's interest doesn't last. You must escalate, and escalate fast. So, what you must do right now is to join us and be a Shogun. We'll teach you how to move up from interest to attraction and beyond. Just visit fractionation.org and follow the instructions. We're waiting for you. Come, fractionation.org.